Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a logo on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find these two options, create a new folder and also create a new site. And then here in the center, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So for example, I'm going to go to this one, hover your mouse over it, and then click on select an edit site. Once you do that, your dashboard will be loading. And once it's loaded, this is how it would look like. Here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then they will redirect you to this tab right here. So basically, guys, this page is going to be the editor for your Wix website. This is how the editor looks like. And then here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your site, such as add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, business media, and so on. So I'm going to click on add element. And then once you do that, as you can see guys right here, you can add any element that you want. You can add a text, image, button, strip, and so on. So in order to add your logo, you can go to image. And then here you're going to find upload and import, freeform Wix, and so on. Or custom logo if you want right here. Make your site look more professional with its own branding. So for example, I'm going to add this logo right here. And then you can also customize your logo design right here. Just click on the logo design and then you can design your own logo, or you can just add your logo as a PNG image to your site. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.